in this mixed grid, if we start too close to the Mustangs, the tail end of the Mustang pack might well hold us up through the infield section and provide much opportunity for hilarity. Or as we might say, plenty of opportunities to crash. It all being fun and games until somebody crashes. Okay.
Get ready, going green. The pace car is in. Green, green, green.
And the diesels are in the hunt. Mustangs everywhere.
Slow car ahead. Go right.
This is dangerous. I think I'll back out of this a little bit.
Car on your left. Clear on the left.
Okay. P4, still alive. Drafty, drafty.
1 minute 32.813. You're in the top 10.
I think I'll go a little bit wide and then try to cut it in. Oh no, it didn't work. Very much draft. Oh, it's a diesel train.
Minute 21.221.
So
Got a slow car on the right.
finishing up lap 3, we can still see the leader of our class. He's not exactly walking away from us, but he has made 2 seconds in 3 laps, so he's not doing badly. It's fair to say that it's only the drafting that's allowing us to keep up with him overall. So we need to work together if we want to have a chance.
1 minute 20.462.
So let's keep it neat. So draft. Much speed. Very wow. Whoa! I think this is the fastest this little diesel's ever gone. Diesel draft train. Coming over the line. Beginning of lap 5.
1 minute 20.514.
I just lost a little bit of time that lap. Hopefully the draft will allow me to make some of it back. Oh dear. One of the Mustangs crashed. So I didn't quite get as much draft as I wanted. But we can still see the leader.
1 minute 20.55.
In fact, I think he's made a couple of mistakes. Or he's not willing to lead anymore. One or the other. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh dear. Hope that's not the end of my drafting down the back straights. Oh no! Ah, dear. Get off the track, get off the track, get off the track. Ah. And that's how easy it is to lose it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.